bit. Okay, once again, everybody, good morning and welcome right here on the live trade session. Today is 31st May of 2018. Today is the end of the month of May. Tomorrow, 1st June, will begin right here, and we have so many hot news right here to tell to all of you. Especially yesterday, what exactly happened to Kuala Lumpur Composite Index. But before we get started right here, I want to share with you who's on my left side right here. We have Brother K.S. Wong.
Good morning, everyone.
And also on my right hand side right here, we have Sis Nina right here. Okay, so once again, for those who are just joining us, good morning. And before we get started right here, I just want to check with all of you. Can you type there on the chat box if you can see us and you can listen to us right here? Before we begin right here, we have a lot of latest news that we want to share with you. But before we get started, we want to check with all of you whether you can see us, whether you can hear us right now. If yes, go ahead there and type on the chat box so that we know. And shortly as well, we want to share with you what is the situation right here for Kuala Lumpur Composite Index, and we want to share with you as well for those who are holding several of the stocks, what you need to do as a trader right here. Okay, now before we get started right here, so let me go on and check right here. So Nina just typed there, good morning everyone. And if you can see us right now, you can listen to us right now, you can hear us, go ahead there and type on the chat box right there. So we can start already our program right here on the live trade show morning. So once again, everybody, good morning right here. 31st May, so many things to report to you all. What exactly happened to our Kuala Lumpur Composite Index, including several individual stocks as well. So now, before we get started, we want to have a look. Any of you can feedback here. Any viewers can feedback. Just go ahead there and type on the chat box. If you can see us, you can listen to us right now. Just give us, a cue. So, okay, I need someone right here. Just type there. Susie say good morning, everyone. Can anyone hear us right now? Just type there yes on the chat box. Nadra say good morning. All can see and hear clearly. Okay, good. All right, once again, everybody, good morning right here. Morning show right here. We're going to report a lot of things right here. Yesterday, Kuala Lumpur Composite Index dropped almost 60 points. It caused a lot of panic in all the stocks as so many things happen. We have a trader short the FKLI and make almost 400K. So one of our traders, Darren, make a great job right there. But again, right here for the Bursa Malaysia, it is a very big drop within one day. But the question is right now, is it Kuala Lumpur Composite Index right now is already bottom? And yesterday, for those who read a newsletter right there, Mr. Fred already do a study. This is the bottom back again in 2008. 1709 is hit. Possible today. Again, the word we use right here today, possible for a technical rebound. A technical rebound means we will see technical rebound. But if the index go below than that, that means we're gonna further falling down, and Mr. Bear will be continue holding the market right here. And what you need to do as a trader right here, be cautious more, tight stop loss. And sometimes if you do not know what to do, the best is do nothing. Now today, early morning today, Brother K.S. Wong have a lot of news today. So I think let's begin with the Brother K.S. Good morning, Brother K.S. and tell us what is the news for today, what you have right here.
Morning all. Yesterday, our biggest news that caused the market victory was because of the press conference done by Dr. Mahathir. Yesterday, during the conference, he has said that the high-speed rail for Singapore is cancelled. Officially cancelled. Cabinet ministers has all proved cancelled. That's why there are a lot of construction stocks that are constructing the HSR. They all fell down. Not only that, it's the property counters that bought the properties nearby the stations,
right,
also as well as affected. Right. The reason for it to cancel was because that it's not worth it. It's too expensive.
Right. Okay.
The thing is that news. Similar to high-speed rail, the MRT3 is cancelled.
Wow. So many projects cancelled.
Yes, a lot of projects cancelled because they say it's not really a good track. It's like they make the track purposely to go through Bandar, Malaysia. It's one MDB's one of the biggest project by them. So I say it's not benefiting the rural people. But in our KL, our transportation is very nice really. Right. So we don't need another MRT3.
Exactly. Right. That's the news.
The other thing we have is the ECRL.
Okay.
It's not cancelled yet.
Okay.
It come out that because it's 13% completed, we might not cancel it. So this may be still a slightly hope for ECIL and our construction sectors. But for the prices, they might be reducing. Wait for Mr. Robert Kwok to have a chat with our China.
Okay, that's the function of our elder council, Robert Kwok. All right.
Then besides that, we also have an international news. Again, just today, the news was that Mahathir is going to build an island nearby to Singapore. This island previously was a territory dispute between Singapore and Malaysia that was brought to the High Court of UN, United Nations.
Right.
So finally, it said that Malaysia is the one that owns that land. Now that Malaysia wants to build an island over there, so nearby to Singapore, it might be a provocation.
So it's going to be a two-story right now for Singapore. Number one is the high-speed rail, and number two right now is island. So I can say that the president of Singapore right now, Lee Hsien Loong, is going to have a very tough time right here with Malaysia.
It shows that Malaysia feels like Malaysia is going against everything Singapore.
Yeah, that's why. So
there's a worrying international friendship over there.
Exactly. All right.
Then there's another news that made Dow Jones, our whole Asian market, the whole world jittery. This was the news from last week on Italy.
Italy, right? Yep.
So
how's the parliament?
There was an election held on March.
Okay.
On March.
Right.
Until now, we had a hung parliament.
Means between opposition and the government.
In fact, there's about 6 parties.
6 parties?
The maximum one party got was 33%. So, so a coalition is a must. Correct.
Right.
So there was a coalition between the Five Star and the League. Okay. So they made a coalition. They submit their cabinet ministers to the president.
Right.
But the president rejected because the finance minister is a very anti-euro person.
Okay.
So because this the finance minister may trigger an exit, which is Italy exit Eurozone.
Exit Eurozone.
Brexit.
Similar to Brexit. So last time we have a Greece problem. Now we have a Brexit with an exit the Euro. If Italy exiting again the Eurozone, there's a big problem right there on Euro.
Correct. And this might cause the rejection. It might trigger a re-election.
Right.
So there is a very big uncertainty over there. So why is Italy such a big problem? First thing, they have a debt to GDP of 130%.
That is more than Malaysia.
Malaysia is only 80. We are already very worried.
Exactly.
They're 130%.
Yeah.
The second highest before Greece.
I see.
Greece is really in trouble, so Italy is the second near to Greece.
Right.
Second thing is that the unemployment rate is 11%.
Oh, okay.
Right, and they are also the third largest economy in the Eurozone.
All right.
So their living may be a big effect.
Exactly.
Euro as well. Third thing they have is a very big trouble is that whenever a government issues the bonds, of course they hope that foreigners is the one that buying the bond. But in Italy, our local institution, the local banks, the pension funds are the ones that are buying the Italy's bond. So if the government something go wrong, the bondholders cannot get their money. And who are the bondholders? Also the old people.
Right.
So it's a total collapse in the whole banking system.
No wonder right now Eurozone have facing a very tough time. If you can see the currency right now, Euro is continue weaken against US dollar. So we will see there's a major problem right there, and then we probably see this problem right here is affecting as well market in exactly.
Very big potential crash.
All right, what else news that we have right here?
The last one we have is not a news, but it's a good news maybe.
Oh, there's a good news.
Today is the last day of the May. There are potential window dressing.
I see. Yeah, this potential window dressing.
But we don't rush out too much. So we make sure that it's full counter. But normally window dressing is like the last 5 minutes they will cap up.
Right. So today we want to see whether we're gonna have a nice window dressing. So that's the hot news for today. Yeah. Thank you very much, guys, one right here. So hope that we can get some idea right here. Now, before we get started right here, Nina will share with you what exactly the stock is watched by Mr. Fred. But now, before we that, stay tuned for a while. I want to change now the screen for a while into the big screen right here. So Nina will share with you what exactly stocks are watched by Mr. Fred. And shortly when the market is open, we're going to see what exactly happened to Kuala Lumpur Composite Index. Is it possible to have a rebound today? Let Mr. Market tell us. Okay, guys, I'm going to share this screen shortly. Okay, right here. So once again, everybody, for those who are just joining us right here, good morning. And today, Nina will share with you what actually she see right now in the Pratham News newsletter. So go ahead, Nina. Go ahead, Nina. Share with us what you see.
Okay, morning, everyone.
Morning.
Okay, we see here in the Pratham newsletter, first is Inari, still a hold. With a target 2.54,
right?
And then media also still a hold.
Yeah, media.
Yeah, still with a target 0.58, 0.8, and 0.9.
All right.
We see L6 also hold, but watch for the stop 0.83 or lower.
Okay, let's go back again. So those who in LISIC right here, the stop loss right here is 0.830. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so for those who in LISIC, make sure that you know your stop loss right here. Seafood food there 0.830 or lower. Okay, go ahead, Nina. What else
And then
next?
Muda already hit sell stop yesterday.
This is what we're talking about yesterday. Limit down for Muda. Now no longer Muda. Tak muda lagi, huh?
Okay, and then MPI still a hold.
Okay, MPI still hold,
Yep,
right?
and also the Warren.
Warren, okay.
And CCK also no buy. Wait for the breakout above the old high.
And those who, let's go back again up to the CCK. And those who still inside right here is the hold.
Yep.
Don't do anything. Stop loss for CCK right here is 1.58. Okay, yeah, or lower. 1.58, yeah, for CCK. Okay.
And then Ewin, a pendant breakout by 0.650.
Okay, so today, if anything above 0.65 for Ewin, we're going to watch it.
Yeah, Ewin.
Okay.
Pendant breakout. Okay.
All right, pendant breakout.
And then GT Ronic still a hold around in bottom. Watch sell stop is a trailing stop because the stock continue climb. 2.20 or lower.
Okay, let's talk about here the G-Tronic here. I think as a trader, they need to know how to do trailing stop loss.
Yep.
If you're trading a G-Tronic right here, you must know how to trail up your stop loss. So right here, Sifu will do a quick guide right here. The guide is actually at 2.20 as a trailing stop loss. Yeah. So for those who in G-Tronic right here, you need to know how to protect your profit. I think it's very important as a trader. Okay, go ahead again, Nina. Right here, what else stocks that we have?
And then the Warren still a hold.
Right.
And then end-to-end hold and watch stop loss 0.99 or lower.
Okay.
And then Dialog is a hold and sell below 3.16 or lower.
Okay.
And we have Comfort still a hold. Watch for the sell stop 0.77 or lower.
Right.
And then Padini also still a hold. Also watch the stop loss because a lot of stock is climbing and ready to rest. So it's important for you to put a trailing stop.
5.24, yeah, for Padini.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hibiscus also still a hold and you can watch the stop loss.
At 0.820. New stop.
Yeah, okay. The new stop for hibiscus. And
Hibiscus.
then Tambon is a hold. And then sell below 0.7 or lower. This is all low.
Yeah, this is stocks that we're talking about. Tambon have a very good FA and technically also nice. But right here, you see the price pull back a little bit. Now the sell stop loss for Tambon is 0.72. Okay, let's see what else next
And
week.
then we have Masing. Sell stop 1.10 or lower.
Okay.
And then Chronos sell stop is it. I sell for Chrono yesterday.
Means out?
Yes, out for chrono.
Chrono for out. Yeah, 3 arrow down.
We
Exit.
have a support for chrono, but for now the TAD gives a sell signal, so better out first.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So okay.
Fine. We have about dynamic stay aside. Only we enter above 3.60.
Okay. So right now, before we get started right here for the stocks right here, I think Nina, we're gonna come back again for the stocks to watch. I think what Nina can do right now, go ahead to the software right here and let's have a look. The market is just open right here. Let's have a look on KLCI. Yes, today Kuala Lumpur Composite Index rebounded right here. Today, I think Nina will show to all of you right here what exactly happened to the chart right here. Is it possible for a rebound? Exactly right here. You can see a little tiny little monster there.
Yesterday closed above the Fibonacci 161. So it's rebound today. We want to see whether it can hold above this level and this level.
Yeah. Okay, so it's rebounded right here, up 13 points. Exactly what we see right here is possible. Now the question is, for those who like to buy on dip, today is your day right here to have a look on the stocks. And for those who still holding on your stocks, possible your stocks to be rebound towards certain level. So if there's a chance for you to reduce your risk, take this opportunity for today to reduce your risk. Again, right here we can say overall our market's still bear.
Yeah, because we see it's just a technical rebound for
exactly.
now.
Right. So this is the experience right here. I've seen this case before. When we see index in the negative territory, for those who having your stocks right now, and you see that you have a big risk, you already lost it, like say for example 30%, you maybe use this opportunity for any technical rebound to reduce your risk. This is what we call sell on strength. Sell on strength. You need to know how also to control your risk. Meanwhile, for those who stop that's still having in profit side, do a trailing stop. Why? Because the market is bearish right now. There's a lot of uncertainty right now happening in Kuala Lumpur Composite Index. So you must know how to take your profit and you must know how to reduce your risk. Okay, for all those who just joining us, this is one of the tips that is very important as a trader. Okay, Nina, go ahead.
Okay, we see that what is top gainers for today.
All right.
We saw the volume. The volume is only not still opening, right? Asia, we see Asia gain for 2%.
Right.
And then at 2 point, Maybank is 1.36, and then we see GCAN 6.
GCAN is up 6%. Okay. This one is quite better down, probably because of what KS Wong mentioned, ECRL are not cancelled yet. So let's see what you see, Nina.
Okay.
Okay.
This is the Asia.
Oh, this is Asia.
Yeah,
okay, Asia.
We see also technical rebound. This is a high volume, the red candle, right? And then this is a small volume for the.
It's really at the support, right?
And then Maybank also a sell yesterday, and then today I think it's a technical rebound. A lot of stock is a technical rebound.
Exactly. Okay, yeah. I think what KS have a news on Asia right here. KS from you have Asia. Oh yeah, Asia stock plunge after India launches a bribery bribe. There's a bribe happening in Asia, India.
That's what they say for the aviation sector.
Aviation sectors and Asia probably involved in it. Oh, that's going to happen from Mr. Tony Fernandez. India, there's a bribe. Asia stock plunge. Yeah. So right now, I think Tony Fernandez have a very hard time because since the MAPCOM issue, 1MD, been pressured. We do not know what is the real story yet, but yeah. Okay, Sapra Energy right here.
Top active. Sapra Energy.
Okay. So let's have a look right here, Nina. Do we see a rebound right here?
Yeah.
Yes, we do see a rebound right here.
Because it closed, it hit the sell signal
yesterday. Yes.
And then rebound.
Yes. Okay, this is the interesting part right here, Nina. Look, yesterday there is a sell signal appear. I think 2 days ago, right? 2 days ago. This is fast. Oh, okay, normal, almost standard total. Yeah, 2 days ago, the 3 red arrows triggered. Exit. I think that's a very good thing. If you follow the rules, you exit. And right now, when it's time for re-entry again. Okay, now Nina, if there is aggressive trader. Okay, now for those who are aggressive trader, try to pay attention on what Nina going to say here. Where is exactly the entry point for Sapro Energy if somebody would like to go in? So would you like to share with them?
We want to see if the price can close this gap. This gap.
Previous gap.
Yeah,
okay.
Previous gap. Above 6.7. Around here. 6.75
okay.
or higher.
I think that's more for conservative trader, isn't it?
Also,
aggressive is going to use 1 bar. What do you think?
One, but it's okay lah. It's still below the EMA.
I see.
Yeah.
All right, let's go to that. Okay, while we look at CCK for a while, and we come back again to Sapro Energy. Yeah. Oh, there's a test of breakout. Yeah. Good job.
60K is a breakout. The immediate target is here at Fibonacci. The nearest one, 1.9.
Okay, now this is something that we need to learn right here. Look, even though what exactly happened to KLCI index is dropped 60 points yesterday, but look right here, CCK is so steady and so powerful right here. Now that's why I say it's very important for you to look at your individual stocks. Do not get panicked. Okay, regardless whatever the news of the world or what, look at your own individual stocks. If there's still no sell signals, stay cool. And CCK have a quarter report, 172% gain from the previous quarter, right? Yeah, from previous quarter. So that is a very good news to support again CCK. Nina, right here, I believe your target is almost reached at
this target is already reached, and the next target is around 1930.
Okay, now for those who are trading CCK right now, you need to know when it's time for you to take your profit. Okay, because at this market right now, there's nothing wrong to take profit. What do you think? Yeah. There's nothing wrong to take a profit. So you must know how to stagger, take your profit in stage by stage.
Yeah, the easiest way is you can use the turtle. If the turtle hit the sell signal, and you can take the profit. This easiest way to put the trailing stop. Use the fast turtle.
Fast turtle, yes. Okay, so guys, listen right here. Nina give a very good suggestion right here. Use your chart. Use F1 fast turtle. Yes. 1, 2 cha-cha-cha. Yeah, 1, 2 stop bar. Okay, so I think that's a very good suggestion right here. Okay, let's go back to Sapro Energy right here. Okay, now Nina, what do you think about using 1, 2 candle right here? Like, what do you see right here? Is it, say for example, like it's going to form a flat thumb bullish candle, say for example. Do you suggest aggressive trader to go in right now, or they still need to wait from using a previous gap? And I see that this is actually it's a previous gap, but we actually do have a small little gap right here. If we clear up all this, say for example, let's clear up all this. I think we can see, including let's do a plain chart right here. Okay, now before we go to the TAD system, Nina, what do you think about this little tiny gap right here? What do you think about this little tiny gap right here for conservative trader? Is better?
Yes, also can, but for me it's better the price close above the EMA 50.
Okay, let's lay out one indicator right here. Let's put EMA 50 right here. So, okay, now what Nina is showing to you guys right here is she's going to overlay EMA 50. This is one of the very important moving average right here. And you can see right here, this is quite interesting. The gap down right here is coincide with the EMA 50. That's mean, what is the price right here if we close this gap, Nina? What do you think?
This price.
What's the price right here?
Price around 0.7, 0.6.
0.695, right?
Yeah, 0.690, yeah.
Okay, 0.690. Okay, so that's meaning if the price can go above 0.695, That's when we can have a look on
for aggressive trader. Yes.
Aggressive trader. Aggressive trader. Okay, so 0.95. I think Nina is going to do a quick alert right there. You guys can see. So Nina do 0.695 to to mark the area right there. Okay, now for this aggressive trader right here, I think we have two types of aggressive right now, as you can see. One is the bottom buyer. Okay, one is actually the second aggressive. The next one is a conservative, which is they need to wait for total item down. Is that correct, Nina?
Yeah. And the volume is still building. We want to see which this price can hold or not for Sapura Energy. Yes.
Okay. So Nina, what do you see right now happening to the world crude oil right now? What do you see? What is the price settling for the world crude oil right now?
67.97.
Okay, so but overall trend for crude oil still uptrend?
Yeah, it's still uptrend.
So Sapura Energy possible for it to go up? What do you think?
Yes, we watch the chat lah. If the chat say can buy, and then we can buy.
Okay.
If no signal, we just don't enter first, because the current sentiment, for me, the current sentiment is also not so good, right?
Right. Exactly. Okay, so aggressive trade is 0.695 for us to have a look on Sapura Energy. Okay, I think that's a very good idea right here for those who trade Sapura Energy.
MyEG, the second top active. It's just the rebound also. We see a lot of rebound, but
this is just like a dead cat bounce.
Yeah, because this a huge gap.
Exactly.
Gap. So don't touch the stock.
Yeah, MyEG don't touch these stocks for the time being.
One also have a signal the rebound today, but a sell already give a sell yesterday.
I see. Yeah. There's a gap down right there. Yeah, but what do you think about the possible double bottom?
Yeah,
what do you think?
We see this support still there.
Strong support, right? Yeah.
Strong support still there.
What's the strong support level right here you see in Juan, Nina?
0.3.
0.3?
Yeah, 0.3.
I think what we're going to do is let's map the area right here. So let's go for drawing tools. So let's map the double bottom, possible double bottom. Which area you see? Oh. Okay, hop.
And then this one also we see the
testing.
Yeah.
It's like a very strong support right there. You guys can see.
The resistance now become support for one.
So what do you think about aggressive trader? Do you think like they should go in right now?
If you want to go in, this is your stop loss below 0.30 because it's a double bottom, right?
Okay, so for those who aggressive trader right here, if you're listening us today, we are watching Juan as well. Juan having a possible double bottom as well for those who aggressive trader, those who like to buy on the dip right here, really at the bottom. Okay, this is one of technique of a super aggressive trader. Your stop loss right here for Juan is 0.300 and below.
And the nearest target is 0.475 lah, because we want to see the price can break this a few tested. You see this, the price test this one time and then the second time, and then we want to see if price can break this time for the rally lah.
Wow.
Now it will trade it between this range lah. If the support still there and the resistance is there.
Yeah, I think that's great right here. And look here, you try to show that there's a possible to create another rounding. Yeah, another rounding bottom right here. Okay. Yep. So we're going to have a look on Juan as well, guys. For those who just watching us right here, if you have your stocks right here that you need us to continue comment, go ahead there and type on the chat box. Type there your stock's name, your entry price, and your risk appetite. And I think Nina is going to type shortly how to guide you all. If you have stocks that you want us to watch right here early morning today, go ahead there, type your stock's name, okay, and then your entry price, and also your risk appetite right here. So just go ahead there and type on the chat box. Meanwhile, right here, we will do the analysis right here for you. At the same time, right here, Kes Long is watching what exactly happened right here in any movements, and he will continue to report back in the Telegram group right here. And okay, so Nina just type there on the chat box right there. So if you have your stocks that you want us to watch right here. Okay, guys, today possible for it to rebound. KLCR right now it's up 25.27 points exactly like what predicted by Mr. Fred. Is a technical analysis, is a double bottom, possible for a technical rebound. So hibiscus right here, Nina, what do you see?
Hibiscus also hold at support. You see this like a hammer.
Yeah.
And the support is close above this gap. And then today is gap up for hibiscus.
I think it's beautiful hibiscus right now.
Because we change for the TAD. Because hibiscus break the wedge.
Right.
Yeah, and then we see a rounding bottom for hibiscus. And then price also still support above the gap. The gap support around 0.895. Perform an hammer and then get up.
Yeah.
Okay. And above the EMA, this one EMA
50. Yeah. So I think today is a very good sign for hibiscus. Just today, early morning today is testing. 2 days ago is a gap down. Today is gap up. So I think this is a very good sign. There's a gap up right here. But again, we would like to see towards afternoon or towards the closing whether this is going to be, stay firm. Okay, so guys, watch hibiscus right here for today. I believe Keswong is about to share something on the, Keswong is sharing one on the Telegram group for those who, still working right now. They would like to see what's going on. Okay, Nina, go ahead.
The oil moves, the Valesto.
Previously is known as a UMWOG. Okay.
Still trading within
range.
Yeah, the range.
Sideways.
Yeah, sideways.
So those who still newbie right here, don't touch a Valesto yet, or known as a UMWOG before this.
Because it's stuck in the sideways, we don't know how
long.
Yeah, how long.
Yeah. Okay. All right. What else right here we have, Nina, early morning today?
MRCB. We have MRCB. Okay, MRCB for now.
What do you see right here? I see down. I see more bearish right now for MRCB.
The double top and then continue down this, and then we see the target for double top 111. If we use the chart pattern target, the double top here to the low and then already break, right?
Yep.
This breakout the low.
It'll be negative.
Yeah. So it's a low.
Technically.
Yeah.
Right now MRCB we see it's more bearish. Stay aside. Do not touch MRCB at this moment right here. That is the simple idea right now for MRCB. So is there anything right there?
So AAX.
AJX. Let me have a look here. So Nina, so let's comment on AJX. What is the entry price for Brother Rahman?
0.38.
Okay.
0.38. Declare this first.
Okay. Okay, so what you can see right now, Nina do a demonstration right here. She marked Brother Rahman entry, which is 0.380, and the risk appetite is only 5%. Again, right here, for your information, Brother Rahman, any stocks that below 40 cents, your risk appetite is not 5%, is not that really realistic to have a 5%. For penny stocks, you should open yourself with a risk of 15% to 20% because the price can move quite volatile within that range. So if you're not good in managing your risk, don't touch the stocks that below 40 cents.
For now, it's already 5.20, the risk.
It's already touched its risk appetite, yep.
And then we see the no buy signal still. So I suggest if the price go below the low is 0.355, just cut
loss.
Yeah. Or you can cut
now. Okay.
Because it's a sell.
Yeah. So for Brother Rahman right here, we see that AAX right now is more on sell signal. It's just telling us based on the TAD right here. I think Nina would like to circle the turtle atom dark arrow right here. Brother Rahman, have a look right here. This is a very important signal right here. So Nina will highlight first number one right here. Yeah, I think Nina would like to change a bit the color right here to maybe maybe pink. Yeah, or maybe black color. Let me have a look. Yeah, okay. So first signal right here, turtle cell signal, followed by followed by the atom. Yeah, followed by the atoms and the ducks right here, also showing there is a cell signal right there for Asia X. So currently, Brother Rahman, we advise you that today you maybe want to consider to cut loss your Asia X, but if you still wish you want to hold, Nina already did a very good suggestion right there is 0.3. 0.3
below this level,
which is what number is that?
0.355, or you can
cut right now. Okay, Brother Rahman, if you are listening us right now, what is your plan right now? Can you share on your on the chat box right there? We give you suggestion right here. Would you like to cut right now, or do you think you want to wait until 0.355 the price touch this support or break down or violate this level? So Nina suggests if you still want to hold, there's a tiny support right there on the 0.355, but we want to know what is your idea right now for Asia X. Right now, sell signal appear in Asia X is more on exiting Asia X. Yes, so go ahead there. Okay, Brother Rahman say cut now. Yes. Okay. So let's do this, Brother Rahman. So we're glad that you have your plan.
You can always re-enter the price, give us a buy signal.
Now, one thing about right here, Brother Rahman, once you cut, just go ahead and type in the chat box. Once you cut, you just tell us that you already cut, Asia X. Now, it's a very important thing. When you need to cut loss, your finger have to press. This is one of the biggest problem right here. Most of our trader right here is when they're supposed to cut, they're not cutting loss. Why? Because hope.
They hope the price rebound.
And the price tomorrow is gonna go down again. They say, "Oh my God, I should cut yesterday." Now here is the thing right here. You must follow your trading plan. Okay, one of the important right here is a recipe for you to become a good trader. You must know how to cut. Cut doesn't mean that you are failed as a trader. Cut means you respect Mr. Market and you follow what Mr. Market. Look, even a pro trader, even Mr. Fred, if he see a sell signal, he will cut. He will never say that, oh, I make a mistake right here. Oh, no. He will cut and follow the plan. Because what Mr. Market tell us to cut, we have to respect that. Okay, and it doesn't mean that you failed. It's just that you are good in minimizing your risk. Actually, cut loss is a successful strategy. It's a good strategy for you to minimize your risk. Okay, so learn something today here, my friend. Okay, let's have a look right here. Hopefully, Brother Rahman will be feedback to us shortly. Okay, right here again, Nina, what do you see on the top gainers right here?
The top gainers, we see Maybank, Asia, and Gamuda. Maybank we don't touch first, right? Asia also, and then Gamuda.
Oh my God! Look at that Gamuda.
A lot of technical rebound.
It's more like there will be one term that we would like to share with all of you. Is this technique? This situation is known as dead cat bounce. Kucing mati terplanting, we call it. The cat is already dead, but there will be one more chance it can rebound before it go for the down. So that's what we call the dead cat bounce. Probably Nina.
Brother Rahman already cut.
Brother Rahman already cut. Good job, Brother Rahman. Now this is the thing right here. I would like to congratulate Brother Rahman. You cut loss means you follow your trading plan. Look, it doesn't mean that you fail. It means you managed to minimize your risk. So with that, we'd like to congratulate you, Brother Rahman. You did a very good job right there.
As a trader, to survive, we have
to cut. Look, Sis Nina is going to say, as a trader, you must cut. Okay, right here, I think Nina also can share with them the terms of dead cat bounce. I think Nina will type there, dead cat bounce. Today you learned something here. Dead cat bounce means is just a technical rebound before it further falling down. So that give dead cat bounce, BOUNCE. Yes, dead cat bounce. Okay, in bahasa Malaysia we call kucing mati terpelanting lah. means that before some price continue further falling down, there is a process called rebound for a while. I give a chance for those who already have a bigger risk. When there's a technical rebound like this, like a technical dead cat bounce, you can take this opportunity to reduce your risk, not to completely break even. Yeah, this technique is called sell on strength. Just in case if you have loss of 30%, this dead cat bounce can minimize your risk. Maybe from 30, instead of 30%, you can reduce up to 25% or 20, but you still need to cut no matter what. Okay, so this is the chance for you to see today if there's a technical rebound right here for several of your stock. Take this opportunity right here to minimize your risk. Now, again, right here, KLCI is a very funny. It's jumped up to 28 points and very fast it dropped back again 13 points. Yes, early morning today, Brother Cass, we just discussed about it. We're possible to see it's just a rebound, but you know, it's possible for it to go for, you know, to show the weakness. Anyway, we need this index right here to go above 1800. If the index cannot go above that 1800, means Papa Bear is really controlling the KLCI right now. We are in bearish situation right here in Kuala Lumpur Composite Index, Bursa Malaysia especially. So you see right here, the index go up for a while and pull back right now. I think what we see right here, yes, this is just a technical rebound. I see this situation right here is more towards two things right here. I'm not sure whether you guys agree. Situation number one, it gives you a chance right here to minimize your risk. Take this opportunity. If the stocks go up a bit, just minimize your risk. Second thing right here, for those who are listening is right here, take this opportunity right here to take your profit in stage by stage. You must know if you already enter the stocks, you can start to take profit already stage by stage. Guys, there's nothing wrong to take profit, right? But
if you're happy,
exactly, as long as you're happy, you must know how to take your profit. Okay, so take in stages, or you can follow like what exactly Nina say. If the stocks is already up high, you can use F1 fast turtle, you know, to do a trading stop. So you must know how to protect your profit. Say for example, if you don't know how high it can go, you always can sell 50% of what you hold right now. And when it go up again, you can sell another 50%. Sell half, sell half. Okay? So, right here, I think Nina would like to go back again. What is the Fred Time newsletter again? What Sifu Fred is continue watching. So, yeah. Juan.
It's a sell stock hit by the TAD, but you see the Fred Time, the Sifu also put this support still holding.
Right.
And then OWG also still a hold, but buy above this. It can break above the old high.
What is the old high, Nina, for OWG?
112, so buy above 113.
All right. So what is the stop loss right now for OWG?
0.91 or lower.
Yes. So you see, guys, if the price go below the 0.91, instead of OWG, it become OMG. Okay, it's become oh my god. Okay, right here, let's have a look on the FGV right here.
Yeah, FGV still a hold, stop below 1.49 or lower.
This is something that we see during Pakatan Win. You know, FGV is really traded up high, but the more thing is been exposed, like, you know, the more thing is been revealed in the latest exposure. Now FGV start to show there's an impact on it. So guys, if you are in FGV right now, you better watch your stop loss right now, 1.49. Okay, 1.49 or lower. Okay, so
Supermax. Sell stop is the trailing stop 3.02 or lower for the Supermax.
All right.
And JHM still a hold, stop below 0.92 or lower.
Okay.
And then Eon, the stop loss 2.10 or lower. The support still there, but this you can put a trading stop.
Right.
P-Metal is a sell.
Exit. Basically, P-Metal out, stay for a while. Stay aside for a while.
Petro and M is sell 7.75 lower.
Okay, so it's been exit if the price go below that 7.75 or lower.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, OL means all lower, yeah? For those who do not know how to read it.
Still sell stop hit.
Okay, this is exit. Still, guys, exit. Those who inside right here is more towards exit. It's down trending right now.
Petrox still holding the target 6.90. Sell stop below 5.26.
Okay.
And if you buy below, you can use the facilitator lah to put the trailing stop.
Yeah. I'm not sure who's in the Vitrox, but yeah. Okay, for those who in the Vitrox, make sure that you have your trading stop loss, yeah? Okay.
CMB is a sell.
All right. Yep. Have to exit. So this is the analysis by Sifu Fred yesterday night. He said that KLCI is the double bottom at 1709 is possible for technical rebound. Means what does it mean by a technical rebound? So this is the question right here. Yeah, everybody says it's a technical rebound. So that means is it time for it to go big, because this is a big what that has been moving around in our local traders. They say buy when people fear, sell when people greed. Now the question is right now when people is really panicking, really sell. Is it this kind of word is really applying for today's news? What do you think?
For me, the buy when people fear is actually the contrarian buy only when the accumulation, not when the trending. The trending, everyone is up.
Exactly.
Aggressive trade. The contrarian also up in the trending. We only buy when the accumulation.
Accumulation phase is a baby bull phase. Right, but right now it's already touched the old bottom right here. Now the question is, do this time right here the mantra called buy when people fear. So now the word is a technical rebound. Okay, technical rebound. So again right here for me, this is what I personally believe right now. Technical rebound is only give a chance for two situations right now. Technical rebound means it gives you a chance for those who having your own stocks right now. You want to minimize your risk. Take whatever opportunity when there's a rebound right now. Within this today, tomorrow, until next week, until you see there's a level that is rebound maximum already, and before it's gonna continue further down, then you're gonna take whatever minimizing risk that you can have. But for those who are already inside the stocks, you can stack up your profit taking, trailing you must learn how to take profit. This is one of the things. You must know how to take your profit. It's happening to me already. Okay, so it's nothing wrong for you to take a profit. But again, right here, possible technical rebound right here in the idea of a double bottom is a possible for it to go back again to the up high. But we need to see the situation right now. If the KLCI index doesn't go above 1800, we can say that technically index is still bearish, right?
Yeah.
Still bearish. Yeah. Okay, so that is for the KLCI index. What else do we see right here for, I think our, this is the measurement, technical measurement from Sifu. KLCI tested the Fibo extension of 1.618. Okay, resting at exactly the 1709, touched the previous bottom. This is for Mr. Fred right now. It's already possible bottom, oversold right now. Probably, we see a technical rebound. Okay, let's go down here. Again, this is a very, very good chart. This is what we see as well, FK line back in 2004. Look at that. After it touched a double bottom right here, you look at the price, index is continue up high. Hopefully right here, hopefully this is what is the situation that this is what Sifu Fred see. What exactly happened in the past is possible again. It can happen right now. So this is what exactly Sifu is watching it right now. He wished to see that our KLCI index will have a rebound, something like this. and possible it can go back up to 1,800. So it gives you a situation right here for those who have your stocks right now that you hold. Okay, continue stay hold, but you need to look again at your individual chart. Okay, if it's continue climbing up back again, stay cool until there's a point that you see is achieved maximum, then you exit. But if the price can go back again to your entry point and it's break even, okay, that is a good news for you. Okay, so right now what Seafood Fred right here wish to see is actually possible for our index to rebound healthily, something like this back in 2004.
We want to see if the bullish candle can perform, and then we wait for confirmation to enter. It's possible a bottom.
Yeah. So Nina, right here, we can see right here, let's bring your mouse right there. That's the bullish harami pattern, and it's confirmed on the third day candle, isn't it? Yeah, look at that.
And this cut loss lah. Still hold and then continue up.
Okay, let's see the situation right here for our index right now, Nina. So you try to draw, empty chart right here. Let's see whether the situation is possible to happen. What is the level that you think? Let's do a clear the whole drawing. Let's see whether this situation can happen right here in KLCI today. So what is the level that we're looking for?
If the price can today price can perform a bullish candle, we want to see this. We don't know what will perform, and then this level, if the price can break.
What level is that? I think you want to draw 1759, right?
Yeah.
So you want to put the the text there, okay? Yeah, 1759.
1759.
Okay. Okay, so this is the level that we wish to see. I think Nina, you can do a dummy candle right there. Right now we see a harami, and the third day, it means tomorrow. We wish to see, something like that. Yeah, the candle.
This one is break this level, right?
Yeah.
We want, or you want to see close the gap first.
Exactly. This is first from Japanese candlestick. When it touch above 179, it gives us a very good sign already. Now the next stage is the gap down. It has to close the gap down. So Nina is want to do some mark right there. So what's the number right there, Nina? You see
1.775.
1775. Yeah, I think we want to do one more level right there. Okay. Yeah, no problem. So let's do a text.
1.
Double click right here. Triple click. 4-time click also can. 1777. I think 1780. I think that'll be the best. 1780. Yeah, you want to make it big, like 14, so they don't need to use glass. Yeah, okay, that would be great. So 1780. Okay, so that's the gap number. And meanwhile, the bullish harami pattern right there. Okay, I think Nina is going to label bullish harami. Now, early morning today, the index is forming the Japanese candlestick called bullish harami. And for those who join a 3-month course, you will learn about what does it mean by bullish harami in Japanese. So here we want to give you a hint. Bullish harami is actually look like a pregnant candle. It's a form of a reversal, a pending, ready to reverse. But we need to wait again the confirmation on tomorrow. Okay. So if the price can move above 1759, it's a good sign that this rebound is quite solid. But again, right here, if it can break above 1780, that means the trader or the investor maybe want to start to buying back again. Nina, can we do a marking of 1800 right here so that 1800 right here so that we can see 1800. 1800. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So 1780, 1800. 1800 means if the price or the index can move back to 1800, that's mean the bull is still on on the edge. Okay, that's mean there's a chance for it to turn back into bull. Okay, as right now the index is really at the bear territory right now. So this is what we wish to see in KLCI. Hopefully that we can see something like this, so we can repeat back again what we see in the 2004. Yeah, 2004, right? Yeah, that's what's seen by Seafood Fred. Okay, so index right now is still is still trying to form. So this is a 2004, right? Okay, let's see what else next I have. FKLI, those are trading. Yeah, I would like to take this opportunity right here to actually congratulate brother Darren Chan. And guys, he did join, he will joining the PCFTA. And again, right here, I'm feeling impressed with brother Darren Chan, because he really apply the knowledge that he learned. Guys, so this is the thing right here. One trade can make you up to 400,000 right there. You can buy one nice condo already with that profit. So once again, congratulations to brother Darren. He make a nice shot right there for FKLI. So right here, FKLI possible bottom, double bottom. So but if the price move below once buy, okay, if long, if above 1710, but continue short again if the price the index go below 1710. Okay. Do we have an entry right there? Brother Sheikh. Yep.
I don't know it's your entry price and your risk appetite. But FGV, we see the Sifu chart just now said sell below the low of this support.
1.51.
Yeah.
Brother Sheikh. Is it Brother Sheikh Ibrahim?
Because the TAD already give a sell, but you see the support is just near the, so you can use this support also if you willing to accept more risk lah.
Right. So brother Sheikh, hopefully that you can hear us right now. I think brother Sheikh is listening us from Kedah right now, if I'm not mistaken, or Perlis maybe. Yeah. So brother Sheikh, 1.51, that is the number for you. Okay guys, for those who are just joining us right here, take your opportunity right here to share with us what is the stocks that you have right now on your hand. Tell us your entry price and tell us what is your risk appetite right here. So we're going to learn together about your stocks. Okay, so let's go down here. What do you see in the small cap index right here, Nina?
So possible double bottom here.
Yeah, that's what mentioned by Sifu Fred as well, right? So that's mean all the small cap index, the share that is below than 500,000 issued and paid up capital, there's possible for it to technical rebound today.
And then this is USD ringgit.
So USD ringgit. So do you see that? Yeah, that's been US dollars strengthening right here back again. Okay, so.
Or still within the rising channel.
This is beautiful. That's the good news about. Because the other day, I believe the pullback is good pullback. I think it's a very healthy one. So right now we still, in the up channel, right? In the rising channel right here. So this is a very, very good pattern right here. But it's also for us to watch just in case we don't want this support right here to be break. Right now, Sifu forecast continue. This is gonna still uptrending. Basically, crude oil still uptrend and still intact. Yeah. This is a medium target, right? Let's have a look at the medium target right there, Nina. Okay.
This is target
78. Okay, guys, watch. Sifu have a technical target right here for crude oil. It's a 78. Yeah, 78. Okay.
Yeah, so because it's the price still above the Kumo, right?
All right, that's a very good one. So FCPO, for those who are trading FCPO, what is Sifu Fred analysis right here, Nina?
It's buy stop.
Here, yeah.
Yeah, buy stop 2.448 or higher, with target 2.400.
Okay, so that's mean if breakout 2448 or higher, can execute long.
Yeah.
Can execute long, huh? So that's buy stop means you buy
short.
Now maintain short. So but we have to prepare the buy stop means a pending breakout. Okay, so if the price touch 248 and above, your system automatically execute.
Okay, this for the chat. So what is active? We see still Sabra Energy, MyEG, NWP.
Oh, NWP. Limit down. Look at that. I think Nina share a bit right now. Yesterday is Muda. Now we get NWP limit down. I know this stock is really played by one of the syndicate group NWP. I'm not sure whether some of you get stuck here.
See the chart.
Yes. This chart we call the chicken pox chart. NWP.
Palm and down. Palm and down.
Exactly. That is the word that I can say right now. Palm and down is a very, very classical method that being used by a syndicated group right here. If you entering at the right moment, then you'll be okay. But if you are the one to get trapped, yeah, this is the thing right here. So you see, by studying the chart also, we can know whether this stock is nice to play or not. Okay, so there's a news right there. LBS Bina and NWP terminate the deal for joint development in China. So there is a news for NWP. They just canceled the deal for the JV in China with LBS Bina. There you go. NWP will anticipate to not see a clear direction for its own stocks. Yep.
And then hibiscus one, overall not change. Yes, and the top gainers we see Maybank based on the volume, 1.88, and AirAsia 1.95. Dialog, okay, Dialog still holding above the support, means Dialog still holding lah.
Yep.
Because the Dialog is at, okay, we see the chart for Dialog.
Oh, this one is very nice. Still uptrending, right, Nina?
Yeah, so this is resistance and support lah, 3.170.
Do you suggest that will be a trailing stop for anyone in the Dialog?
Yes, this is for me, this is trailing stop lah, below 3.170 is
take profit lah.
Yeah, take profit.
So again right here, I like to use this word right here, Cash and Nina, what do you think? Learn how to protect your profit. Yeah, I think it's a very important right here.
But the thing is the volume here is
very low.
Yeah, very low.
Okay. For Dialog, right? Okay. So what else we see right here, Nina? Is it another quiet morning right here for all of us?
The value turnover to 8.7 million and up 12.66 point. The gainers 351 and the losers 240.
Okay.
Gainers still leading the losers lah. But
Right.
unchanged 1,359 for now.
As we can see right here, morning is more on a mixed reaction right here. But again, this is what we try to advise to all the traders right now. Still be cautious, because we in the sentiment of Papa Bear, you know, bearish, medium or bearish atmosphere. As what we believe right now, the KLCI, Malaysia right now, technically with the new coalition, Pakatan Harapan, they do a lot of cleaning up right now. It's more on stabilizing. I believe there's still more things to be revealed this coming couple of weeks.
Especially on those funds, the pension fund, Tabung Haji, EPF, those I haven't discovered yet.
Yeah. Still not discovered yet.
They still haven't. For example, the land deal by Pen Negara.
Right? Yes.
They are still discovering that more information, whether who are involved.
Oh gosh. So that means more people actually involved.
Correct.
So I believe that more people will be in the custody. Yeah. But again, right here, that this is a new Malaysia. There's a new hope that we see that we're going to be having a transparent government right here. Okay. And there's an issue as well that whether our education loan right here, that many of them still owing PTPTN right here. Okay, for those who have children, go ahead and tell them pay a bit, yeah, because so you can help them education for the next generation. Okay, right here, we see right here for top gain of active right here, we see that nothing much reaction is more towards a technical reaction. But again, right here, I'd like to take this opportunity right here. Anyone right here, if you're listening to us right now, tell us what is the stocks that you wish us to see right now. Go ahead and open your portfolio. If you need us to comment on your stocks, you need a guide from us right here for your stocks, go ahead and type on the chat box right there. Okay, and we want to see how we can help you right now. Sapura Energy is the stocks that watched by Nina early morning today. Where's the Sapura Energy anyway? Okay. Anyway, CCK is good right now. So let's have a look on Sapra Energy. Okay, Sapra Energy. I think I'm going to use plain chart right here with the zigzag. No, I think I'm going to use where's the plain? Default. Okay. There you go. So Sapra Energy, early morning there's a reaction, but again, but this is one of the pattern that is quite interesting right here. It's called a homing pigeon. Those who learn the 3 months course, you will learn this advanced Japanese candlestick. But again, we need to wait until closing at 4:30. That will be the best for us to further analyze. Whatever we see right here early morning today is just a natural reaction towards the market. But again, right here for crude oil, Sapra Energy, crude oil, the world crude oil, the uptrend is still intact. So we're possible to see that the Sapra Energy will be moving up as well. But right now we have to follow what Mr. Market saying. Sapra Energy still no buy signal yet, and exit the 2 days ago is still correct. So don't do anything yet in Sapra Energy. Okay, LISIC for Sis Suzy Terra. Okay. Okay, so go ahead, Nina. Comment on LISIC. Nina, early of the March, she already started comment on LISIC, right? Would you like to ask Sis Suzy what is the entry price, if she can?
Yeah. Sis Suzy, what is your entry price and risk appetite, so we can analyze more specific.
Yes. Yes.
This okay, I put this evening star, but it's not confirmed yet lah.
Okay.
So it's the TP2 is already achieved, and you want to go for the TP3. For now, put the trailing stop.
Yeah. Listing,
so
yeah.
How it's used? Fast turtle. Fast turtle. Okay. So the sell stop is 0.835 below this candle.
0.835. Okay.
Yeah, 35.
That will be a trailing stop.
For listing.
Listing. This is a very fast moving stock. You can see it's very light stocks. It moves very fast up. It must all retrace very quick one. So you must know how to handle these stocks, yes, Sis Suzy?
Because if you can afford to hold more risk, this also the resistance and support 0.780. But if you want to put a trade, it's up to your risk appetite, because I don't know what is your risk appetite.
Yeah, and what is the entry price as well?
Yeah, one is 0.3835, and then another one 0.782 lah for the stock.
Yeah. Okay, so let's see what is the entry price for Sis Suzy. In the meantime, Brother Rahman have a question while we wait for Sis Suzy. Brother Rahman, what is that?
MBS.
Oh, MBSB. Oh, Brother Eddie have a comment as well. Can you comment on Serba Dynamic? What do you think about Serba Dynamic?
Price 118.
Guys, that will be the best if you can share us your entry price as well. Brother Eddie, can you share your entry price as well? So Nina will help you to analyze. Brother Kes, any hot news for early morning today? Not yet, huh? Oh, it's a cold news rather than hot news. Okay, so go ahead with the MBSB.
MBSB, price still cannot break this trend line. But you see the support is still there. You can use this support 1.114. If the price go below this level, you can cut.
Okay.
Yes, your entry price is here. You can use this support, this turtle support to cut. If the price go below, you can cut first.
Which level? 1.14.
Below 1.14.
Okay, Brother Rahman, yeah?
Your risk appetite is 10.
Okay. Still okay.
Or still okay.
Still okay. This is only
It's
3%.
10 around, or you can use this support level.
Yeah. If you get 10%, that's mean 1.8.
Yeah, 1.05.
1.05.
Yes. Because this still, the thing is the price still cannot break this trend line.
So it's towards the uncertain here on MBSB for the time being. Okay.
So better if you want to use this support also can lah, only 3%, right? Because as long as price cannot break this trend line, it's hard for price to rally lah. We want to see price can break this trend line first.
Yep.
Yeah. You or you want to cut half if price go below 1.14, and then another half you want to cut below 1.05 also can.
That is a good idea. You can cut a bit, reduce your position a little bit on below 1.14, and further to cut loss everything below 1.05. Is that your suggestion, Nina?
Yeah.
Okay. Brother Rahman, do you take notes on that?
Only six many not enter yet. So
not enter yet. Don't enter now
Yeah.
first. Yeah. Don't enter first. There's still, we need you to buy at the right location. Yes, Susie. Anyway, brother Eddie enter Serba Dynamic at 3.27. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, Nina draw a very scary.
I see one, but still above the trend line lah.
Okay.
It's a potential, not confirmed yet. It's just a potential.
Wow, scary, yeah. It's a rounding top, you know. It's a rainbow at the top.
3.27. Okay, for now.
What's the risk appetite? Or not sure? Okay.
The risk appetite.
No appetite. Okay.
So for now, okay, it was only 2% loss. So I suggest, okay, we use this TAD.
What will be the suggestion of cut loss?
Because in the TAD, no buy signal yet. So if the price go below this level, is low.
What, 3.12?
Yeah, you can cut this. Because in the TAD also no signal yet. Price must break this level, 3.470 and above, only buy signal.
I think I quite agree with you, Nina, here. 3.12 is a very good area to cut loss, really.
Yeah.
So, brother Eddie, if you're listening to us right now, if Serba Dynamic price go below 3.12, take note on that. You can reduce your position or completely exit the trade for a while.
Wait until give buy signal first to enter. Because for now, no buy signal in the Serba Dynamic yet.
All right. Okay, guys, we already come to an end right here. So the time right now is almost 10 o'clock right here. I wanted to change back into the screen for a while so you guys can see us. Okay, guys, hopefully that you can see us right here. Now let's check the screen as well so that we can see right here. Okay, once again, guys, thank you very much for joining right here on our morning show. That's what we do right here on a brand new series. And Brother K.S. Wong is going to England. He's going to England next 1-2 weeks. And right after that, you're coming back again very soon?
That will be about 2 months later.
About 2 months later, yeah. So we like to take this opportunity right here to wish Brother K.S. Wong the best. He's going to enjoy his holiday in England. But still, the member can keep in touch with you on the Telegram.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. Okay, so what is the suggestion for today right here that for all the traders right now, we only see is a technical rebound. So 2 things again right here, we like to, all the traders right here to put in your mind is if you already have the stocks right now, you like to take this opportunity when there's a rebound. Okay, when there's a rebound, you like to reduce, your risk. So this is called sell on strength. Meanwhile, for those stocks that you already hold, if your stock is still no signal yet, continue hold, but you can start to take profit already stage by stage. Why? Because the current situation right now, that we see in the index is now still bearish. We need to see what exactly happened to our local index. Now, do the local index also play our overall sentiment? It does so. But again, right here, have a look on your personal or your individual stocks, okay? If your individual stocks, there's still no sell signal yet, don't do anything. Now, if you're not sure what to do, type there on the Telegram group. Our tab team right here is ready to help you all. So hope you learned something today on the live trade show. Once again, thank you very much for watching. We'll see again all of you right then again on the next week, again the same show, same time, 8:45 to 10 o'clock. So once again, my name is Ezon Constantine.
Yes, well.
I'm Nina Ibrahim.
We keep in touch and we see you all again in Telegram group. Keep in touch, guys. Bye.